Hey everyone, it's Wilkin from Motorola, and today I'm going to take you through our brand new RAZR 50 Ultra in Pantone's colour of the year for 2025, Mocha Mousse. First things first, you'll notice that the box is really nice and super premium and black. Now let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that. The phone is right on top and looking sleek. There it is. The Motorola RAZR 50 Ultra in Mocha Mousse with the case that comes in box. Look at this colour, it's beautiful, stylish and feels really durable. It's thinner and lighter than you would expect as it's a flip phone, and the finish is just amazing, crafted from premium materials, featuring IPX8 underwater protection and damage resistant Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. There's also a secondary 50 megapixel camera with 2 times optical zoom. As it's a flip phone, it has 2 screens. The one on the outside is the largest and smartest display, measuring 4 inches. On the inside, we have a super bright 6.9 inch OLED display, refreshing at 165 Hz. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 mobile platform, delivering unparalleled AI performance, ensuring the latest apps and games run smoothly. There is also 512 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you have plenty of room for photos, films, songs, and games. As expected, that display is beautiful. Sharp, vibrant, perfect for media and gaming. Now let's see what else we have in the box here. We have our usual documentation, including a quick start guide, a warranty card, and of course our SIM tray ejector tool. We also have the USB-C cable, which can be used in the 68 watt turbo power charger. So there you have it, the RAZR 50 Ultra unboxed and ready for action. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please leave us a comment to let us know what you want to hear from us next.
Hello, Moto.